How to change the app view layout on your OnePlus Watch 2. And this is basically going from having these little icons here to this view mode or the other way around as a list or a grid view. So this is the OnePlus Watch 2. Let's get started. Starting from the clock face view here, you'll simply swipe from the very top like this until you see these options. You'll look for the settings icon. Tapping on that one time here, you'll be taken here, and you want to go down to where it says General. As you tap on General, you'll see these options. You go to the third one that says App View. And if you go from here, you can go to the grid or the list. I'll switch to the list view so you can see the big difference. As you come here now, you'll see that these are now like this here compared to what you saw earlier. All right, and if ever you were looking for these right here, you can go down and look for the settings icon, going back to that. So go to settings and you go to general, app view, and have it change to another view mode, okay? And that's up to you to make that decision, like and sub.